Another great topic to discuss is what kind of questions can you expect from an interior designer? Some of the questions I like to ask my clients are, how would you want to use this space? What is your goal with the remodel? What is your finished product? Do you want it to be low maintenance? Do you want high-end materials like marbles? Those sorts of questions are very important, kind of starting out that design process so that you can make sure you're steering the design conversation in the right way. If you have a family that comes in and they want low maintenance for their design, you don't want to be speccing things like marble floors because they require to be sealed, and you've got to clean them regularly with specific cleaners. If you're wanting that low maintenance, you probably want more of a porcelain tile for your floor. Maybe a wood look porcelain would be a great option. So those are definitely a few important questions that you want to ask, or that you should expect up front. Is how do you want to use that space? What are your goals for your remodel? And do you want low maintenance? So hope that helps.